Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to your attention wristwatches that you can buy us. Introducing. Today, we're taking a look at the stylish and sophisticated Swiss-made Hublot Classic Ceramic. This model perfectly represents Hublot's philosophy of combining innovative materials, sporty character, and timeless elegance. The watch has a clean and understated appearance, yet it immediately stands out thanks to its premium craftsmanship and attention to detail. The 42mm case is crafted from black ceramic, a material highly valued for its scratch resistance, lightweight feel, and luxurious appearance. Its versatile size makes the watch comfortable on the wrist while remaining suitable for both everyday wear and more formal occasions. The dial is made from black carbon and remains in excellent condition. Silver tone hour markers and hands create a striking contrast against the dark background, ensuring excellent legibility. A practical date display is positioned neatly on the dial, complementing the overall design without disrupting its balance. Protecting the dial is a sapphire crystal, known for its exceptional resistance to scratches and its ability to maintain a flawless appearance for years. Inside the watch beats a reliable Swiss automatic mechanical movement. Powered by the natural motion of the wearer's wrist, it requires no battery and offers the traditional charm appreciated by watch enthusiasts around the world. The watch is fitted with a black rubber strap combined with leather, providing both comfort and durability. The strap is adjustable, allowing for a secure and comfortable fit throughout the day. The condition of this particular example deserves special mention. The watch has been carefully preserved and remains in very good overall condition with no noticeable damage. The case, dial, crystal, and strap all present beautifully. Hublot Classic Ceramic is an excellent choice for anyone seeking Swiss quality, modern materials, and a distinctive design. It successfully blends sporty functionality with refined elegance, making it a versatile timepiece that remains stylish regardless of changing trends. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos. Have a great day and happy shopping. Best wishes, Citadel Watch.